Hi, my name is Cecilda Cumos. Just call me Cici. 47 years old, married, and have two kids. My son, aged 21 years old, and daughter is 19 years old. I almost have 10 years of working experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong on June, this 2024. I can cook Chinese food and Western food. I can also tutor kids in English and understand Cantonese, and I can speak little Cantonese too. I am an honest and trustworthy person. I can work independently, and I'm willing to learn of something to enhance my skills. I prefer to work alone. I love kids, and I prefer to work I prefer a job taking care newborn or children, but I can also take care elderly because I love my parents. That's all. Thank you.